Well. We're back. Okay, we're gonna do a drawing for the. Oh shit! Where's that marker? The Ravens and the Raiders game. Boo Raiders. Bah. Okay, so Fernando already has the original. So I'm just gonna write. I believe this was Ravens. Ravens. And then, how do you spell Raiders? F-U-C-K, Raiders.
Yeah.
Boo, Raiders. Okay, so we're going to go this way. And then we're going to go top to bottom this way. Okay? So let's look at all the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're going to flip them over. Hope everybody's doing great today. Monday. I don't know what time it is. Tuesday. Is it Tuesday or Monday? It's Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go. My lovely assistant is gonna write the numbers that I pick in order from left to right, from top to bottom. Okay? You guys ready? I'll mix it around. You gotta come more. So I could, yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. First pick. And is it 8? That way, yeah, in the gray box. Next number is 9. Next number is 2. Next number is 6. Next number is 3. Okay, next number, wait, let me put these right here. Next number, 0. Okay, next number is 5. Let's move that over here. 5. Okay. Next number is 1. Okay, 1. Last two numbers is 7. 7. And the last number, 4. Okay, so bring that over so I can double check everything. So we got 8, 9, 2, 6, 3, 0, 5, 1, 7, 4. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna go top to bottom. Okay, we mix these up. So anybody looking for to get rid of a barbecue or need some work done to yours, anything like that, hit me up, yo. Anyone that I service their barbecue gets a free Save the Lions sticker. Free Save the Lions sticker. What lions? Who gives a fuck? Who fucking cares? But you're gonna get a free sticker, and you're also gonna get a free gallon of gas at your local Texaco if you can find one. They went out of business like 15 years ago. Free gallon of gas, and you save the lion sticker. Okay? Okay, guys, mix. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's the first number. Ready? Okay. First number is 4, going down. Okay, next number, 0. Okay, next number, 3. Next number, 6. Next number, 8. Wait. 8. Okay, next number on the rope-a-dope is 2. Big old 2. Okay, next number is 9. 9 is the next number. Okay, next number, 1. Okay, 1's good, very good. Also, Um, just so you know, I do all these services and more. You want your car washed, or you want, I don't know, garden, weed, all the weeds from the garden, I'll do that. Last two. Five. And actually, there's one more. Ready? Boom. 7. 7's the last one. Okay, so let's check those numbers. Make sure Vanessa didn't fuck up. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? I guess we'll do it like this: 4, 0, 3, 6, 8, 2, 9, 1, 5, and that's a 7. Okay, guys, good luck.